Children, once again, good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we had done methods to separate a liquid or a solid from a liquid mixture. In that, we had done sedimentation, and second method was loading or coagulation. Now, in sedimentation, I told you the definition. It is a process in which the heavy particles settle down at the bottom in the liquid mixture. And the second method was, I told you, loading or coagulation. In this, how to define this, I also told you. It is a method or a process in which an external agent like alum was added to bring the process of sedimentation is known as loading or coagulation. So impurities were removed by adding alum in it, and we got the clear water. So after loading or coagulation, there was a third method which is known as filtration. What is filtration? Today we'll be doing this. So it is a process, or you can say it is a method. It is a process or a method in which the insoluble components are removed from the liquid mixture. So here the insoluble component can be solid or it can be liquid, because we are separating liquid or a solid from a liquid mixture. So it is a process or a method in which the insoluble components are removed from the liquid mixture. So the equation for this will be how to write this in equation form. Like first we have mixture. From this mixture, what do we have in this mixture? We can have chalk powder plus water. So chalk powder is solid and water is liquid. So from this mixture we do what? Method is filtration. So when we do filtration, we separate what? Chalk powder plus water. So water is separated from the chalk powder is separated from the water, and water is chalk powder is your insoluble component, and we can also say when we do filtration, it is left on the filter paper. So this is a method which we do by the filter paper method. So I will again explain, this is a mixture of chalk powder plus water. So chalk powder is solid, or we can say it is an insoluble component, and it is a mixture of with water. So when we do filtration, chalk powder is left behind and water is separated. So chalk powder is your insoluble component, or it is solid, and we get clear water after doing the filtration. Now for this we also come to know, in this we also come to know what is residue. The solid particles left, the solid particles, or you can say insoluble component. Left behind after so solid particles that is not insoluble component left behind after filtration is called or is known as residue. So how to define residue? The solid particles, here we have solid particles are chalk powder. So they are insoluble component, they are left behind after filtration is known as what? Residue. Then with residue we have another term we call as what is filtrate. Another term which is a filtrate. How to define filtrate? So here the clear liquid which is your water obtained from the suspended particle of an and liquid by the process of filtration is known as filtrate. So what is filtrate? The clear liquid, here it is clear liquid is water obtained from the suspended particles that are solid particles, or we say chalk powder is a solid particles, and liquid by the process of filtration is known as filtrate.